Tried an oil painting of a glass, a lime, and an apple. As far as I could see, if you really want to do an oil painting, based on some tutorials I watched, you should really sketch it out with a line drawing of the oil paint first. But instead of doing that, I started just by identifying planes of the subjects that were of a consistent color, and then I put whatever color I could dig up for that plane, and that's why I have these little blotches everywhere. And so that was sort of my idea of how to paint the oil painting, and then add more and more planes of color, which, would be good if they matched, but I wasn't really worried about a color match. And then it came out okay, not too bad. And there I'm trying to do that little corner. I didn't like that color at all. And it's good with a shadow if it really looks under and behind, for example. Anyway, art, fun, painting oil paints when you don't know what you're doing. Don't let that stop you. Jump right in.